So welcome back, it's still me, Kizafamas, taking you through how to design a wellhead. We've reached the final part which you've been all waiting for, so we are going to add a wellhead. You come here on the part of wellheads, click on wellheads, and then you click on add. So we are going to add our wellhead. So wellheads are of different types. We have the composite valve, we have the dual, we have the dual 3-string, we have the single, 3-string, triple, and the 2-string. So I'm going to use the 3-string wellhead. Now, after that you have to choose the making. Is it Cameroon? Is it NS? I'm going to choose the Cameroon one, and then you put in the model. Maybe I have a model of L12088. The L has to be capital L. Then you choose the type of wellhead. We have injector, we have offshore, we have steam, we have for the heavy oil. So you choose which one you're making. If you're developing an injector, you choose injector. If it's heavy oil, you choose heavy oil. So we are going to go with the heavy oil. So they are asking for the size in inch of the wellhead. We shall use a 4-inch wellhead. Then the working pressure we can use maybe up to 2200, and then you choose the service type. Remember, it's not an injector well. Choose the API class. So after that we go down to put in the further details. So you see, this is the 3-string that we chose. 1, 2, 3 strings. So we are going to add in further details to this. So we click here, and then we add in wellhead component. Which group are you adding in? Casing spool. It's a wellhead component. So what do you want to add on the casing spool? Connectors, cages, 3-tree. So you choose. You want to add connections, or you want to add in valves. So you choose that you're adding in a valve. So you choose the components, a type of valve, maybe check valve, or you can put a bypass valve, or you can put a ball valve or a gate valve, which has no problem. So we have put a gate valve on that. We continue putting in more information. So you have put in the outer diameter. First choose the making. I think we chose the Cameroon. So we come and outer diameter, we can say it is 4. Top size in inches, we can say it is up to 4 inches. Then the base size in inches, we can also go with 4. And pressure rating more than 200. And what is our API class? You choose API rating. You choose service type. We choose according to the standard we have. So after that we can add in the next. Now that was the casing spool, so we can add in okay, before we go to this, let's first go back to this part. I'm going to first delete this row. So we are done putting in that information, and we need to put in further information about this. casing spool, we are done putting it up. We are going to add in the next one. Now the next one, if you're putting it on top, you choose that, hey, I'm putting it on top. If it is going below, I'm going to delete this, and then you shall put it below. I'm deleting this first one. So this button is insert up, and this is insert below. So we are adding one below, and we don't want a casing spool this time. Casing spool this time. Maybe you want and put a tubing head. You want to add a valve or a connection, or it's just wellhead components. The wellhead components you choose. If it is connectors, you put that. You choose what type of connectors you're adding. If there are gauges, you put that you are putting a gauge. I hope we are together. So you choose what type of, if there are 3 components, I'm adding 3 components, so you can put in different 3 components. You can put in a cap, that's a cap, then we have a cross, that's a cross, and we have an elbow, this is an elbow, then we have the side T, that's how it looks like. We have the T, that's how a T looks like, and we have a vertical gauge, that's how a vertical gauge looks like. So I don't know which one you've liked, but you can choose any. So I'm going to put in a cap. So in my cap, I'll choose the making. I'll say okay, I'll still choose Cameroon, and continue. Put in the size, that's 4. I'm going to use a size of 4. 4. I'll use the same pressures, 2200, and then we continue putting this service, and then we put in the API rating. You can use any, I'll use the highest, and I'll go and put in the type of service, same. I hope we are all together. So you click here to add it below, to add another one below. Choose what you're adding in. So right now I'm going to add in a rod, RP, BOP, and I'll put in gauges on it, and I'll choose the component. I'll put pressure transmitter up there, choose the making, using Cameroon for today's lecture. Then I have, this is up to 4 inches, it's up to 4 inches.